It's Thursday 20th February, and the markets ended the day with mild losses. Sectorally, metals, oil and gas, and PSU banks saw notable gains, while pharma and IT faced pressure. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty ended lower by 19 points at 22,913, while the Sensex declined 203 points to close at 75,735. Market breadth remained positive, with 2,671 stocks advancing against 1,267 declining. Sectorally, metals, oil and gas, and PSU banks gained 1 to 2%, while pharma, IT, and banking stocks saw declines. Shriram Finance, NTPC, M&M, Bharat Electronics, and Adani Ports led the gainers, providing support to the indices. On the flip side, HDFC Bank, Maruti Suzuki, Tech Mahindra, Tata Consumer, and HCL Technologies were among the top losers, dragging the Nifty lower. The Indian rupee rose 31 paise to 86.66 per US dollar, supported by a weaker dollar and economic optimism. Despite equity declines, broader markets held firm. The RBI noted improving industrial activity, rising PMI, and growth in fuel consumption and air traffic, signaling sustained momentum. The US dollar index stood at 106.87, down slightly. The government has signed a 1,220.12 crore rupees contract with BEL for 149 software-defined radios for the Indian Coast Guard. These advanced communication systems will enhance secure data sharing, maritime law enforcement, and joint operations with the Navy. The deal aligns with the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, boosting domestic manufacturing and job creation. Adani Group is set to embark on a fresh phase of high capital expenditure, mirroring its aggressive growth strategy from FY20 to FY22. Unlike the pre-Hindenburg era, where expansion was debt-driven, the conglomerate now aims to fund its investments through rising cash flows. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 climbed 1.26%, while the Small-Cap 100 gained 1.43%. This strong momentum highlights renewed investor confidence in mid- and small-cap stocks, signaling robust market participation. Gold soared to a new record of $2,954.69 before easing to $2,952, up 0.68%, as Trump's tariff threats and global trade war fears drove safe haven demand. Geopolitical tensions and inflation concerns kept gold in focus, while investors awaited further clarity from the Federal Reserve's policy stance. Cigarette stocks fell on reports of a possible tax hike. ITC dropped 1.9%, leading Nifty 50 losers, while Godfrey Phillips slid 2.3%. The government may raise GST on cigarettes from 28% to 40%, sparking investor concerns. PiCoin is set for a major leap as its open mainnet launch on 20th February enables external blockchain connectivity, marking a shift toward full decentralization. The anticipated transition has fueled speculation of listings on major exchanges like Binance and OKX. PiCoin surged 106%, briefly crossing $100. Alibaba surpassed revenue estimates for the third quarter, reporting 280.15 billion yuan, $38.58 billion, amid strong year-end sales and a focus on cost-conscious consumers. The figure slightly exceeded analysts' expectations of 279.34 billion yuan, highlighting the company's successful strategy in a competitive market. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.